Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Josh Appleberg. I recently joined BioWorks Energy as a financial analyst, and my bosses who are here today tasked the new hire with public speaking because I think they were too nervous to do it themselves. All jokes aside, though, I'd like to start by posing a couple of questions. Would you agree most of us have bathrooms in our homes? And would you agree most of us have food in our homes, I hope? So each time we flush the toilet, wastewater is routed back to a wastewater treatment plant to be treated and recirculated. And every food product that you purchase went through a manufacturing or creation process that has a residual byproduct or food waste associated with it. And in passing, take a second to think about what comes to mind when you think about the word plant in an industrial or manufacturing context. Power hungry, electricity, expensive, pollution, these all might be things that come to mind. The EPA states that for many municipal governments, drinking water and wastewater plants typically are the largest energy consumers, often accounting for 30 to 40% of total energy consumed. EPA also states that 1/3 of all food in the US goes uneaten, with 96% of it ending up in a landfill, combustion facility, or the sewer system. So you're probably wondering how these things are relevant or related at all. And the answer is food waste, energy potential. So here at BioWorks, we focus our efforts on the systems, processes, and byproducts of wastewater and food systems. We've also realized the raw energy potential that food waste has, and other organics, to produce power and reduce the carbon footprint of wastewater treatment plants nationally. So imagine a world where all wastewater, sewage, and poop can be treated self-sufficiently by these wastewater treatment plants. And also imagine a world where all food, wasted food, and food byproducts get repurposed, reused, or utilized for clean energy production, recapturing historically unused or wasted organic potential. This circular economic world is a world that our business can help achieve and that reduces greenhouse gas emissions by up to 45 million tons a year with the assistance of anaerobic digestion of food waste and sewage sludge, also known as co-digestion. And just to put that in perspective, that's roughly equivalent to over 9 million cars being driven for an entire year. Our current operation at the Flint wastewater treatment plant has operated successfully with year-over-year revenue increases and profitability for 10 years. And this is our Flint plant with those anaerobic digesters in the middle. But from a business perspective, we earn revenues by providing an outlet for food processors, grocery stores, schools, and other facilities. And we collect a fee for receiving their food waste. And since food waste and other organics carry 3 times the energy potential of sewage sludge alone in the anaerobic digestion process, we're able to produce significant electricity, selling it back to the wastewater plant or municipality at a discount, reducing their electricity cost. And this is all possible as a result of feeding the plant's anaerobic digesters with food waste in combination with the sewage sludge. And anaerobic digestion is a process that breaks down these biodegradable materials in the absence of oxygen with microorganisms, and this process creates biogas. And currently, we prioritize using the biogas for heat and electricity production on site. However, future projects, we may be able to provide renewable natural gas to the gas grid or used as for vehicle fuels as well as other alternatives. And in addition to receiving food waste byproducts from food processors themselves, we also take in raw food products like the ones you see on the screen to be destroyed or depackaged because of contamination or expiration. And these food materials are also used as a feedstock for the anaerobic digesters. We've successfully used this process for 10 years now, but we are looking to grow with new sites, new types of food waste, and more food waste to increase landfill diversion. Thus, we are seeking investors to support new projects and new capital, but more importantly, bringing awareness to this process and technology is vitally important to us to further the development of anaerobic digestion and wastewater infrastructure across the country. It is possible and it is worthwhile, so support us in continuing to turn poop to power. Thank you.